When we're looking at ROI, I think too often we're just looking at the immediates, the measurables, the things such as how much PVS am I using versus how much am I going to be replacing? And those are micromillimeters, small amounts of what is actually going to happen from an ROI perspective. Yes, we're going to get good patient experience, and patient experience means they talk about it. There's always that opportunity. But what about actually getting a higher case acceptance rate? Because we're using an iOS. That's the tool, that's the ticket, that's the main thing to be focusing on is how do I show my patients what's going on in their mouth? What are the applications that exist in this iOS program for me to be able to show them what changes are happening and get them to understand and better adopt to the treatment plans that we're giving them? What we're seeing in our network, and I can only speak on our customers, but what we're seeing is that customers who are doing ortho aligners and night guards, once they're utilizing the engagement apps and they're starting to show their patients millimeters of changes in their dentition from visit to visit, this becomes reality for our patients. When we say you have some wear on your teeth, a lot of times we think, well, that was when I was stressed from years ago. But if we say, hey, just in the 3 months since I last saw you, you have more wear on your teeth, I think every single one of us would be signing up for a night guard. Or if that has to do with my misalignment of my teeth, I'm going to be signing up for ortho right away. And that's what we're seeing from an ROI perspective is that these scanners immediately are starting to sell the treatment plan that you've been to your patient about and have them adopt. And they just haven't taken the initiative. It's been an incredible tool for that.